on the 240. Joe is 240 right now. Gonna try to record as long as it's not too loud right now. I'm about to go in, and we are a lot of guys on that side already in line. We're probably gonna be the next up to go online, so gonna have a good time, man. It's been a while since our last ride at Apple Valley, so we're back together, bro, in his whip. It's gonna be fun. Nasty, boy. How'd you feel?
All right.
Lost a little bit or what?
It slipped out when I pulled it.
I noticed you got a lot of angle in the very first one. You did that on purpose, or the car went too far out?
It went too far.
Too far?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it, a 230?
218.
280?
218.
218. I was gonna say 280. Less distraction, you know what I'm saying? Like, it felt more comfortable because there was no cars around. That's what we needed, man. Dope. I never did this right here, so it's intimidating and shit. I think I'm gonna wait until like it calms down, like less people are in, and then I'll give it a couple tries. You know, that's the better way. Because otherwise, I'll probably spun out, and who knows?
You local? You live out here?
San Diego.
You do competitions at all?
I did once, but mainly grassroots.
Same. You should come to Vegas and do LS Fest with me.
Yeah, I actually wanted to.
Dude, let's talk. I'd love to have you out. This thing's sick, dude.
Yeah.
There's not enough dudes that come to Vegas with like style. Everybody's like on that FD kick, fucking shit super high and like too much tire, and everybody's like, I love this shit. This looks
I'm just here to have fun.
I love seeing a car that's got the equipment, right?
Yeah.
It's got power, but you've got style.
Yeah.
I love it, dude. Cool car.
Thank you.
That's cool. Cool as fuck. Comes up real quick. Triple X Joe, baby, come on. It's intimidating, dog. Dude. That wall comes up so quick. I gotta wait until things calm down because I can't do it my own first time in the air. Dude. It's intimidating. I'm saying if it's empty is one thing, even for him.
Yeah.
Like there was people like they're spun out in front of you. Like it happens, you know. You're in the middle of sliding, like.
Yeah, dude.
hit that wall right there. Car landed here, flipped over. Gotta have the footage attached to the video. So he's walking, everything's good. So he's straight. Car is fucking destroyed. Shout out to Amore Autosports. That's one of their cars, their shop. Good thing the homie's safe and sound. Crazy shit. Setting up try some drifting at Willow. First time in Willow and second time drifting, so let's see how it goes.
They just cleared out all the wreckage from the guy that literally did a flip, and we're just gonna send it. We're gonna be all good. Oh yeah, dude, we're gonna be good. Woo! Hey, Frank! What the fuck? Frank! You just hit that shit so clean!
Alright, a little better.
That was better, that was a lot better.
When it swings out, I gotta connect that. Yeah, let the car roll back a little bit. I'm trying to hold it and hit the gas beforehand, so it's like I'm losing the back end. I'm spinning, I'm doing an extra, almost like a 360. We did a 360 right now. Always do that.
Yeah, it's hard, bro. It's hard.
So we out here filming this in a little bit. We're probably gonna head out and freaking get our cars out, do some testing on the vet. Look at this thing. The smell of that. Give me some, give me. Woo. Back on Willow right now. We're just sitting in a car. There's probably about, I don't know, seems like 7 or 8 cars with this group. We're gonna have some fun and hopefully record some nice footage for you guys. Crazy weekend. Yesterday we did some drifting. Today pretty much is track day for me, so we're gonna test out the vet. As you can see, I got the whole setup here for the hydro. So I'm doing both with this car, which is great. Car handled pretty well. Yesterday I had some other tires. Today, you know, I got some better tires for the track. Yesterday was a drift setup. We're about to go in. I'm gonna stay quiet during the laps, record it, and just keep going. See if I can improve on the turns here. at the end of the day, all done up with grid life. So the car is pretty much loaded already. We just finished everything up. My boy's Z4 is right there, and we got Joey's drift car. Great day, great weekend at Grid Life. So had a freaking blast, dude. This car surprised the crap out of me. It definitely was one of the main surprises. It lasted throughout the drifting and all day today, pretty much. Tires are all crazy done up, and I still think I got a couple more track days on it. Awesome time, met a lot of great people here. I'll definitely see you guys on the next video. Peace out and have a great one. Later.